Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know what I mean? Take what you take and go do what you do. There is some editing said here, but about to release this movie, so like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bell, you know what I mean? So you're notified when a new movie release. I know a lot of people, you've been watching the channel, but you're not subscribing. And thanks for everybody who's subscribing because that's what makes the channel grow. And the subscribing is free. The click button is free, no charge, right? Let's go. What's life without fire? What's life without fire? Not the day, Baba. Keep myself out of trouble. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. I'm the simple trash that blind eye. Search and search and can't find eye. It should not be like this, so sister blind eye. When jobless every man be shine eye. Bunny down to the gong man and no petty soldier. Life is a movie, watch a episode, yeah. Tell Roxanne and Janelle fi hurry over. Full up the private jet, we go to Minnesota. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Judge make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Fight don't make me stronger. It's the fight that make me stronger. Watch you, them a dance. Watch ya, see now me catch them off guard. Fight them a fight, them no see the bad dog. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Later. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Oh, the country I run. That's why life's so hard. Me I tell you, say I one world, I one yard. Oh my Lord, you can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later.
Yes, B.
Yo, don't go on some born on yes me. How many years you go last night?
B, me not go nowhere last night. And me and my friend then go out.
So you just have to say you not go nowhere last night. Wait till more you go and broke you up.
Where you
You
talk?
know what to ramp with me.
B, where you talk about? Remember say you have camera for me one night. Me not do nothing, B.
Yo, listen me no man, you see anytime you go know me supposed to know you go somewhere and tell me. You see anytime I see you, you would have got shot your pay box in your face, dude.
B, what we can't go on so?
Listen to me, I say man call and ask you which part you go. And you come and come tell me, boy, you not go nowhere. Don't play with me here.
Me not go nowhere. Me and my friend then go out.
Yo, come off my phone, you just make sure. Yo.
Me a call him back because this not work out. Me love lick too much. Hello, me ain't not go work, you know. Me ain't not go work. You love lick too much. Or you love put your hand on people, so. Me can't bother with your man. Every minute you lick me up. Me tired of it, man. Me a go left, man. A beer lick me up. Tired, man. So.
Now go on, Brownie.
Fire.
Yeah, ball, so what do you?
Yeah, man up here, they not top lick me up. Every day man lick me.
You want know? You can't make nobody lick you when you have 2 eyes and a man have 2 balls. You go so bam, kick him nine balls them. Right? If man abuse you, juke him 9 eye. But juke him 9 eye first. Because I told me 2 weeks back from that. Bam, roll your eye, bam and back, you're gone through. You just get a lick him back and then you go. But when you do that, you leave. Him not see you back again. Because if I beat you all the while, you beat him back 1 time and call it a day. You understand?
Mm.
So not afraid that nobody beat you up. You understand? You're a nice girl. Look at your hand, them look like and maga.
The boy that top lick me up and he say, "Man, give me some box in my face when me go up."
But just remember, 2 eye first. They touch 2 eye them. Knee.
Alright.
And then you can give him a couple of lick back. Run in the look side, they want to lick him. But anyway, I go up on a radar. We don't promote violence, but some of them man they love lick too much.
That woman beat her.
So just defend yourself. Nobody kill you. Long as you know you no weapon, you defend yourself. If you have a weapon, nobody talk about the eye, can we cut you with the weapon. If you have 2 hands alone, you can eye and knee in a balls.
Alright, thanks fire.
Alright. If you have no pepper, you look up for your hand too. When you wipe in eye mouth, that defense. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. Yo, come back in the yard, no girl.
Let me tell you something, girl. You see, more you run, and more lick you go get. You hear me, I tell you?
Me not come back now, you love lick people too much. Eh? Tell me I put your hand pa me like say you are my pa. Eh?
Yo, come back in the yard.
Me not come back to that yard for you lick me. Me tired of this now. Be hold on. You just get up in the morning and the first thing you think about is to lick me.
And that when me lick you, take off it.
Ah, me eye.
You big fat. Ah!
Yo.
When more learn, I remember where you do a problem.
You know mean about good evening? Look how long you left work.
Not no say. Me left work, yes, but I'm going to get a taxi. So I just reach. I'll go on.
You think I said today on Friday?
No, I'm not forgot.
Come. How much money is?
Check it out.
So me didn't tell us if you buy the motor it. I your money?
But
And your money? Me didn't tell you if you buy the motor it.
I mean you work, but supposed to leave me home.
What do you mean about you work and for your money you're not supposed to buy the motor it?
Yeah, but I have a little bit of money me use now.
Yeah.
You hungry, we want to do.
Me don't know what you use the money for, you know. And then your money, so where you use it for? Eh? Where you use it for? Come here, where you use it for?
But
you think you spend money?
A little bit of money.
Eh?
A little bit of money.
You spend money?
A little bit of money me use.
We can't spend it! Where you spend it for?
I just look with the money now.
And your money, me tell you spend it?
No.
Get up. Sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir.
So I'm
You just spending money?
That's that. Me not pick up no big girl, no. Me not pick up no big girl.
Me didn't tell you to spend it.
But a little bit of money.
Me didn't tell you to spend it.
Me can't walk back.
Lead on right there, son.
Me can't walk back.
Relax yourself. Me didn't tell you to spend it.
Me can't walk back in money. Go.
You not tell me one or walk back my money. You think this money I can buy what we want in my house?
No, sir.
Please don't want to take a first, man.
Thirsty. Yes, you are there. I want to dash.
You tell me, see, dash you water in our house.
Where we go? Go that far.
You dash your water in our
I
house.
know me make you water and she has sleep out of my hand.
You are clean now, where you are?
Me not clean no way. But you can't share the water. Water,
You dash your water in our house. Clean it up.
Alright, me go clean up here.
Clean up it now. Get up. Get up.
I don't need to hear no man. You know I'm done. I'm tired.
Oh, you're gone. You're trying to come back. Don't come back.
Well, go on. That you tell me now at the appointed time. One thing I have to tell you though. Despite the odds, to violate the charge, you have to speak to the gods. Come on from the phone now.
Well, go on.
Come on here. I rub him skin for.
I tell you, say, man over here, them man beat me. I'm tired of it.
Where say? No. Where say look wild? Your woman over here that beat you.
Yeah.
I beat you.
Yeah. Imagine you man tell me some water, right? I make water come and water drop out of my hand and dash. You man start beat me. You say, boy, I kill you and kill me over there.
Yeah,
You say I'm big and you man strong me, I tell you. I don't know how me I go manage.
Your house look nice, though, yeah.
You love it? Yeah, so my place is I might look a bit messy, but
So what is that?
yeah.
What is that?
My shirt man.
One shirt.
I don't want shirt, I just design, you know. Watch that. So what I go on now?
Can I get to my list?
No,
You can't get to my head.
man.
Take it. Where's it now?
You like the place? Put on the bag.
Yeah, I like it here.
This is my humble home. I like it. It might not look so wonderful, but it go work.
Look alright because if people have one bed there, look alright, man. I'm thankful for it and grateful.
So, what are you going to do?
I'm there pan road friend there, I'm gonna eat no alcohol. So maybe.
I'm telling you, tell me, for every day we talk and you will give to you.
I'm never on bad, you know.
Talk about bother. That would be a bother. You're hungry, you tap and buy something to eat. I know before you come here, so. Because I know so. Come here, so now.
KFC, madam.
KFC. You should tell me still. You should tell me when I'm up on the road, you know? Tap and get something.
Next time I tell you.
Yeah, I'm tired, no. Tired. I've got a long day on the road. All at 5.
Alright.
You nervous with it?
Nervous. It smells like it, you know.
If I know you wake me up early, man, to go up and work, you know?
But what time?
About 6:30, 5:30 time. You know. Yeah.
No, sir. Maybe there's something still. Yeah, come down to sir.
Boy. How far this?
Yeah.
Okay. What am I going to do this? Eat it up. Can't do that. Well.
The top full.
So how much food on your plate? Good. Egg and everything. I'm a dasher, man. I ain't definitely hungry at this.
You better put in there more dash there. Just think, man.
Yeah, man, at this because I have no food. A baby food, so this can full and baby belly.
Really?
I'm hungry too, man.
But babes, y'all come from fire road.
I'm supposed to get food.
You couldn't stop and make some food for yourself.
I'm supposed to get food and come in. Where they are for?
Not even water left to wash the juice.
Y'all got dead. Trash, y'all got dead. Sure. I think, hey.
No, you're out of order.
Aren't you?
You're bright, brother. No too much things, brother.
You don't want to carry my phone?
Oh, get bacon.
What kind of woman pick up?
Come here, baby.
Don't touch me, man. What kind of woman pick up?
Okay.
Oh,
Well,
is your family not to be going to the street? Want to be let me bring can't bring up my
we got him on bed, man.
Come on.
Have me some left left yard?
Like I say, you can get up and turn up a place, my girl.
Where you go to?
I can't walk this like this, I want to live, man. Yeah, what?
Me spread the bed from morning.
So how your bed looks up? Yeah, what?
No more.
How can I live this, I want to live?
I chat too much.
You just walk this, so. You just walk this.
Hey, what you do? What you do? No! No! Stop! You know my things. You're out harder. You know bad this?
You can't move on by that.
Cause that plan of money in you want to.
What do you I tell you? I need to get up and get some things in your house, man. Tell something like that. We have to know that.
Yeah, I forgot buy it back.
I'm hanging in, girl. I'm hanging in.
You know, something you want to
Don't play me, I'm hanging in this. Oh, what? No, sure, no, shit like that. No one that, man. I don't know your motive for a man. I want to smell plentiful to me. Sure, just go and leave yourself. You can't tell me say you're there for a day. That's it, the bed. You can't put the bed. You can't walk this like this, I want to live.
You can't beg. Where? I can't see where it's bringing you.
What kind of man is this?
Well, I can't see the onion.
In the bathroom, it will stink. You shit in the bathroom?
I can't. I'm really flushing.
Flush it. Leave big girl shit up on this.
No,
Leave big girl shit up on this side, see my girl. It's workless. Eh? It just low, so. You think I can't get people coming here? I'm shame for the right now. I'm shame. I'm shame. I'm shame for the my girl. I can't do this. I see how they place. Oh, think you're good for a name, sleep and shit.
Woo! Sorry.
What can I do that, man?
No shit, then the pie carry see.
Imagine.
What the fuck? Why you this shit? What shit? Hush this
I'm a shit panny. Imagine a cook. Imagine a cook. And look where you cook. Spaghetti and egg. Want you? Spaghetti and egg.
I want shit. Follow me. Follow my guy Tabit. Shit, you know?
I'm a roll up sitting there. Look at me. Want you? I'm not gonna fuck my girl. I throw you asleep tonight. I need some of the food there, man. Hold it.
I'm full of dog food. So it's a dog then.
What dog?
You. How it taste? It tastes good beers.
No taste too bad.
Okay. This my bad shit. Can't buy that.
No, sir. You put in that food.
Mayonnaise, egg, salt.
No, sir.
I can't make from my table like I'm
Belly hurt me. That the food I'm eating.
Stop telling lies.
hurt me.
You want shit from my baby out too. She was spit. My baby out.
No? Just say I'm going to know be. So we had to wait upon.
You know I'm there.
I tell us, boy, I'm going to go on the road today. And you want to buy some things that I will never get to buy. Feel better for you. I'm going to go on the road tomorrow still.
But alright, so you know buy some for you or nothing for.
I'm really hungry, you know, but different from that still.
So I'm not hungry so.
Wait on, but different from that still. What you look forward to in a relationship?
Let's hope for the last but let's hope for the last paper.
And that more I want to, but you know,
I'm hoping that cheat and something there. I mean like man a lick woman.
I mean, I like,
Cause me
I
kill you.
listen up, me
If
no
I
like,
raise
listen
your
up.
hands, hopefully.
Listen up, I don't like woman who go and like say they want to take advantage of man and put their hand on man and not expect say.
No,
they
PM,
get
that's
back.
how I stay.
I saw you go say no, cause you want me look past you and say, oh, you want a good girl and things. But we see what go on. You see me?
We shall see, cause I say like some good dirty foot girl or beat one of them something. No.
Just know saying a relationship I can have some rules. You see me? I have what not to do and what to do. Cause I know man stay go on where you see one man a drive one hype car, you know, only get GG out, you know.
No, I'm not like that. Car can't catch me.
And that you go say.
Cause sometimes the car them and a few boy them own.
I know that.
But not a long time. Car cannot catch me.
Well, I say you say still. Just want to know say how things work out the way it's supposed to work out. You know, everything normal out. You know, calm and easy. You see me? No, I don't want to date no girl that want to go like say they want to take me for fool and thing, you know?
Look at the recipe.
So, you know cook?
Maybe if I cook this evening.
So me again now.
You can see careful by for the road.
I know not to want to go up on the road, because I'm not to like how the police help on the road.
Well,
and
I can't go
things.
to sleep. I'm not going out there. I'm tired. I'm never cook nothing. I'm going to feel good. So if you're not going to afford, go to your bed.
But still, wait, you know, try planning, you know, try if you open one business or something.
I'm going to look for work.
Yeah, but we can
What kind of business? What kind of business?
Any kind of business, we can help with some money, you know, make be it a little business and make support the same way. When we can, you know, because
yeah, build a little shop also.
two we can do one work and one work hard, you know.
For true.
Because once somebody can bring you food on the table, sometimes it's hard for one somebody find food, you see me? So, you need the support.
You know, one babe. That cat back, I get tired. So, babe, I could sleep.
So you want to sleep over there, I'm going to normal, you know?
I want to sleep. Good night.
I don't sleep, you know? Go on easy, man. Go on, see if I can catch a fight. I'm ready for sleeping. Babe,
Yes.
all good.
Look there.
Yeah, sleep.
You blind? You come back and wake me up for?
I'm come for a lot of time for you wake up now.
Can't wake up for a reason.
My time now, you know? Get up out of sleep now. So what go on now?
What kind of time you want to have?
What go on now?
Nothing there. Yeah, man.
Listen, why you walk up? Why you walk up, my brother?
So, you have to bring you my money come. You know some of
payday man. When payday come, you get money. You're so gluttonous.
you know some phone mash up.
So how that happen?
You know some phone drop in the water and mash up.
So how you make that happen now?
Well, me in my bathroom and
I better say carelessness.
me in my bathroom put my phone on the toilet bowl. And my clothes in the pan, I'm just take up and just drop in the toilet.
Alright, yeah, I get my phone for you still, man. I can get back on my phone. But you know more risk.
Make sure
I can get my phone.
on the phone by next week.
See what can go on. See what can go on.
And if I get it, I'm leaving.
Yeah, I leave. So true, me can't so you can't make my phone and go.
But they're about 2 weeks now. Ain't that if bring you one money come to make one talk
And I don't know
about.
it be.
And every day you gotta work.
But you don't know what I want. You don't know what to take this and like them.
Shut up! Shut
I don't
up!
know if money I make.
If I know the other girl that give them door.
Go on some man and chat about other woman. Push that woman man. I can't get it for man. But I don't want to sleep. Somebody me about phone, me come in and have to give me a nice massage and say, baby, why?
You're not bringing money left to bring me if you can't get massage. But for about 2 weeks now, you can't get that you want to get
Where you want?
KFC.
You're not the word KFC.
Oh!
You're not qualified for KFC.
Some of the word KFC.
KFC better than you.
Big ugly king boy. Let me tell you.
Listen to me, all food. Listen to me. Listen. We just come in from work. We want to rest. And me no want no mosquito. Me no want no mosquito make the nice part in my ears.
On the floor.
Yeah, hey.
On the floor.
You think I feel it? Sleep on the floor, my girl.
Say I remember for the bed. Ow! Whoa! Moving on, okay, tired, man. They want to push me off the bed. You know how much this word has in the bed there?
So who do you tell us to me enjoy? We can't enjoy that.
Oh, you know, enjoy what I say. I tell me that I enjoy this.
Oh, at my place, nothing about me and stay at my place.
Say I enjoy this. So I can't go then.
You don't want no. Right now, I'm going to my left tonight, you know, because I have stress. Oh, man, you. Why? My girl, you come in nice, and they are going on a nice life, then you come start up your food and you my girl.
Say I tell me that this worked to bed.
No, the word. Everybody have to sleep on a bed, you see me? But me not say.
No, say I tell me, say I work the bed.
No, me not say no to bed, but.
So, where you pick me up in the first place from? May I get the flight, yo? And say, anything else I put foot out of this? You know how much man want me? You know how much man want me? You know how much...
Alright.
You see you? You see you? Come front of work now. God damn man. Can't you come front of work? This work more than anything.
Alright, we are going to test you. Alright. Stop going to man. That enough if you go on, if you go on to over?
Yes! It's out of order. Who is you, big mongrel dog? Who
You know,
is
say,
you?
me know what you want, you know.
You need to get together and act like a big. Oh God.
You good now?
You know, alright. You know what's that? I said, I'm going like, I'm not get something to do, babes. You have to, you know, see, you have to still make us love you. You're my husband.
No, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come and get a massage. Fix good now?
So earlier, me didn't want the massage and you want to give me number one. I already massage out there, go. You know? Yeah, something good.
Just remember, sir, you said us get work the phone next week.
Yeah, man, me I look what if
Have a good night.
Yo. Oh, which man are there on the phone?
May I talk to my two friends them and first and
Which
foremost.
two friends? After man buy your phone, get in and chat to man on phone. Now you take this thing for.
Look how much money still I give me the money. Then I give me the money about 2 months now. You want to come talk to me still there? Your uncle sleeping or say your uncle eat, sleep. Me that day. You give me the money 2 months now.
Hey, I'm me and you this. You can't dey in here and talk to no man on the phone. Now you take this thing for.
I already lock off the phone.
You give me my phone too.
You're out of them. You buy a phone or something? Try moving on. Where are you from? Where are you from? Flip me.
Hey, I was like, okay, see girl. You think I play me?
Listen to me. Let me tell you this again. You're not giving me the money 2 months now. And you want to come talk about some of them. You don't come in here at night time, eat, sleep, and repeat, and go back at my time. See, you can't.
Man, me name. A woman, hey. That's all good for. The powerful man, don't. Hey, man, take some
Your son
slap
hurt.
upside down.
Your son hurt.
Hurt. Me not hurt.
Your past hurts to your Jim.
Alright, mama, you see like how you're tall and bigger and that bigger than me. Alright. You know me I go do.
Come out.
Me I go for one.
Come out.
Me I go for me next.
Come out here. Move.
Say alright.
You don't say boy, you know, me don't kill a boy. It's my life, miserable day by day. Come on, man. Alright. Let's say now be active.
What is that? This is a big black cow in there. What is all this?
No, wait.
No, shit.
Let me stop.
Don't come on, no, babe. Don't touch man. Don't babe. Don't that. Yes, man, I have a big old stinking piece of egg, girl. Don't play with me now.
No.
Be at this
This black common tennis now.
Missy, I'm tell you this now. Come on, this now. Hello, come on, honey. Come on, come on, man. Come out. Come out. I meet you. Yeah, we. Hey. Yeah, sir. But I get right. She knows she made it cover now. But she take this thing for. And she come back. And she come back. Yeah, yeah. Come here, big. Come here. Come here. Me tell you this now, girl. Come here. Girl. No wrong with me. Hey, girl, you know me? You know who is me? And me tell me run things, you know. Things that run me. So you gonna come out of this with a piece of old bunny. Come out. Girl, you know me? What's up? Where are you? Where are you?
Say a man, girl.
Come out! Out! Come out! Come out! Come out!
I'm so thinking this is my life from place.
Come out!
Come
out! Come out!
I style on some zero.
Yeah.
I've done you money for 2 months now.
I'm
I'm telling you truth.
I'm gonna get all of the money, my friend. One.
You're not giving me no love in the night time, but you want
on the phone
You
now.
are there now, man, for a phone.
See, man?
Yeah, go look,
Yes,
walk.
tell me.
Go look, walk.
Because every day me there, what you going to come?
Come on, man. Come on. Let's take our time. Come on. I'm not true.
Why are you?
Yo, me tell you this,
Why?
little girl. Come out of this.
Oh, God.
Yeah, eat it.
Come on.
Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come on, man. Now let's feel the drunk girl. Looking dog. Bright girl. I'm telling you, Catella, man. She know with me. Babes. Me do her things, you know. She don't know me, you know. She don't know me. Sure. Come on, let's stop me for the girl. You don't say even a word. Come on. Come here, babes. Which bed I go on? No one here? No one here? Come here. So where you still? You good?
Yeah, man, we good. See a girl over here. Come here, come catch a girl on the phone. Imagine if something there.
You know some money do that. It's so good for that.
Get that grass. Girl, something.
Look here, next time I kill me, I'll kill her here. Can't know girl lick my man, I feel like you're so crazy. So what going?
Today I'm babes.
You good?
Yes, babes.
You're no cool to no sir.
Oh,
You're no cool to relationship.
no, true, me get the babes here. You know,
Well,
I love the babes here, you know. I have to say, you know.
Babes this, babes that. This babes. Babes. That's all of them and babes.
Calm down, babes.
You're again babes. No
Calm
sir.
down, man.
How are yourself, yeah? So you're not hungry?
Boy, man, I tell you, so when I'm with my foot on the road today, boy, man. Tell you.
Oh. But they cook chicken and rice still.
Tastes good. I can't cook better than the last girl.
Don't do it. I can't tell that black monkey there.
What are you?
That cockroach they have up on the bed over there.
I
So.
don't know how I find myself with her. Come like a dream with her, Jim. Boy, her time the time. Boy, I don't know.
Mouse. I make all Lucy.
I tell her. Say, babes, me like her be together. Oh, God, man.
Then no mouse girl forget backed up and kick up.
I feel in my bathroom, kind of beat me too.
Mono beat you. You think someone make she touch you? What me did it?
You couldn't do nothing because you're the weird so the girl in front of you. So.
Yeah, idiot. When time I hold her by her head and pull him back so.
That's your foot here long too, you know. Can't
I make go so you reach over there a long time.
cool, no, man.
Then no mouse.
Say,
Alright, girl, get in your life, you know. Right,
Right,
girl. Babes, start going so on. Your head. Bomba. The person so soft. Jesus Christ.
Calm down, yeah. Touch up. Yes, man.
When I sleep, me want to sleep.
I tell her, I'm not telling me that I had me. I don't know how I go and I must look at taste, but price didn't give me down the road today.
I come and boast about it though, but you get food to eat. Only come and chat about how.
I get some I tell some.
You're good there?
Tell some belly full.
More than good.
Yeah, go on so far.
Me not going nowhere, but I
You
stay
can't
home.
go on the road and get some food.
Stop it there. If you come on there, she can come on there, she can. Come on there, she can. I must sleep.
I'm good. Good, mama, good.
I must sleep. Bye. Good night.
Yeah, go on the bed.
See you no want to sleep.
No, sir.
I'm going to lock off the lights.
We are lock off the light for my girl.
I'm going to lock off the light once. Lock off one of your head.
No, left the light.
I'm lock off the light.
I can't cross this one and pick up, man.
Babes, wake up. Wake up. Wake up, man. I'm tired of this now.
Babes, tired of her.
We're not even there for couple. Oh, my can't man there
What
now.
happened?
I said it nasty.
What me do?
Imagine I went up in the bathroom and left the bread and the face beer 2 plates all over it.
Bread.
Me say it.
Babes.
You don't say something for eat that though?
don't
Did I
think
say
that-
bread?
you not talk no-
Me say you went up in the bathroom and on the face basin. Look here.
Yes, that's
That's
all.
Jamaican.
Nice, you just
I'm on the face basin, brother.
You just tell me.
I be a 2 plates there
Yeah,
on
you just tell
it.
myself a white puppy that I don't know if you make nice over.
Because me talk too much time about you do the same thing over and over again and me tired of it now. Me not gonna take this bullshit with you no
Yeah,
more.
one like say me do it for spite, I no spite, me do it for you know.
What you mean in a spite? See, I tell me, see, I left from out there, so you see something in there, you still left it in there, brother?
Babes.
Come here to me, please. Laughing.
Babes, me not laugh.
What do you mean, babe? Come here, brother. Me just snap on the bed, babe. Me need to talk to you about something. That dirty style is not going to work, brother. Don't stop what up on me, man. I get dark on you, brother. Stop what up on me, man.
Babes,
Yeah, get me dark right now. Come chat with me, calm down. Look at me, look at me. Me, I talk to you calm, right? No, don't tell me bullshit on my ears. No, me there here to talk to you good. Me I talk to you calm, tell me to calm down. But me I talk to you calm, me I tell me to calm down, brother. This makes it. Look, me tell you this now. Me not accelerate them foolishness here. Them see that foolishness, brother.
What you
What you mean? My brush on my foot coming out to the sheet, I don't turn on the water to wash it.
You want to them girl there too?
You want them girl that you never know?
Babes.
You never know?
Babes.
You never know?
Babes.
You never know?
Babes. Yeah, do me so far.
You never know? Come back. Where you run go? Where you run go?
Me not run.
More than like to know where you run go, brother. Me step in your conscience, man. You don't know me, you know? I rub down my foot, not true. You have your heart, I rub down my foot, not true.
Babes. No, babes.
Boy.
You can't find them, babes.
Boy.
Babes.
Me try with you, not true. Me beating you one hour, you know?
Babes. You don't have to leave.
Come out. Please, come out.
Babes.
You need to come out of this now, please.
Babes, I'm at home.
You think I've nothing in here, go on.
I'm at home, no, babes.
What have I been stay, go on.
So you tell me home.
Me no business, I'm happy me at your house.
You can't come out. You can't come out, babe.
Come out.
Babe, you can't.
Out. Come out.
You can't come out.
Now me take all the panty them and beat, not true.
Babes.
Panty you want to beat, not true. I mean, wheeling your mouth, hey boy. Come back. Just come back. Foolishness. Yeah, man, come run out the boy and I go lonely tonight, man. Really? Me not have to be lonely tonight. I don't have to, you know. Because I'm going to take my man the number. I call him over. Hello. What going? No, man. I'm a boyfriend, me just run out. I say you hear so much nice. Yeah. The boy now go on good, man. The boy left 2 places in their face basin, dirty up in their bathroom. One bag of shit. Me tell you, I forgot. Me can't manage. Me go through too much with him. So I run him out of our own house. Because the bad like that. Yeah. But I'm not call about anyways. What if I come over? Because we're going lonely tonight. I'm not nobody to talk to, nobody for, you know? Yeah. Alright, then I open the door. Alright. Alright. It's good to have a neighbor with a man. Hey, oh my God. What is it? Come in. Come in. I don't know, take match with this person outside.
Sorry.
Yeah, ask me this on the phone.
Yeah.
My boyfriend break up because you now go and go. You understand?
I understand, I really don't.
The boy, so you stay so far, can someone never know?
You know, like, sit down for your habit, you have the habit of sit down on people's bed.
So you're afraid of me?
I'm not afraid, but I like sit down on people's bed. There's that.
So you take me as a stranger now?
No, remember say you're right, so many people. You know, I see all the while. I'm not always over here having look argument.
Yeah.
I'm pause and sit more time.
And I'm not call over that for talk or anything. Call over here because I have nobody know I'm single. And I know say I'm single because you alone always up here. Yeah.
Alone always good.
Somebody I say if I told you I'm a relationship.
But you can work out and see where you take with.
Because me did it, and most of the time I want somebody to go and talk to and reason with. Because right now, to see it, you have to have somebody, either old or young, you have to have somebody you can talk to and tell certain things most of the time. Most of the time, me over there, I sit down and I just think, and I just wonder, you see me? So, you're one good person.
Yeah.
But the cussing thing, me don't know over. Who always start the argument over here? You or him?
No, not me. Me a good girl.
You sure?
Me a good girl. I see a
smile.
No, because I have to load up my market more because I him started. You see what I care? Me a good girl, right? Me do everything. Me do everything you ask me to do.
Oh.
Yeah. Me always me load up my mouth for no reason.
Cause every morning me get up, me have to say, no sir.
No.
I want to them sir.
Because me not like people tell lie for me. I always accuse me of certain things which me know so me not doing.
Oh.
See me? So
You
me have
think
to
you
get
cheat?
aggressive. Yeah, me have to get aggressive for him.
So you cheat?
No, I'm
I mean,
not
I
lie.
like them something that, hey.
You don't cheat and me don't cheat, so when I make a
Me
good
not
couple?
cheat. But me nah say, listen, flirting and not cheating.
Don't do that, don't do it, don't do it.
Listen, me tell explain the last relationship, you know, me flirt with that girl and them and say me cheat. Me not cheat.
Because that is
Me
cheating.
just a compliment a girl and say, hey, you look nice.
No, when me in a relationship I can't
So
do
me not
something
do
there.
none of that.
No. You want me to do you would like me to do it?
No.
I tell man say they're cute and
Me
them
just-
and they have abs and them this and them that. Eh?
True.
No, we wouldn't like that, so we don't like
So
it.
yeah, that girl will cook and they come like my food and me like something dinner.
Yeah.
Me have to eat
Sir.
early in the morning because
Don't
when I
worry.
time me have acid reflux.
Look here.
Last girl, she never make no tea give me. And me have to get up and make my own.
Look here.
Only thing she want on a young girl on the dep on phone enough. Enough on the dep on phone as like morning light
Don't
up
do that
phone
boho on the girl.
on
picnic.
TikTok.
Don't do it.
TikTok on the dep and I do dirt
Me know
bounce
that.
and me just ask you is a girl that cook, right?
Me wash, cook, clean. Me do everything.
So-
That's all I want to know.
You sure I have my problem in a relationship?
You the problem. Me can't bother. When you go work, you know, when if you come in this hours, yeah, like if you come off and shift 7 o'clock, you might reach at 10 o'clock, brother. I'm not in them style there. If I don't run bar in top, I know until look money when you carry a own gimmick. Rich, me not really fancy money, you know. I don't really like take things from him, but
She's
me,
an independent girl.
yeah.
Yeah, me like that.
But he might drink out his money and by the end of the day, if his money might depend upon.
You
The
have
mosquito, yeah.
fun over here, so.
Me have
Um,
fun, sir.
Oh,
You know you're trying to style, you know.
me just say.
Me couldn't have independent and not have fun on me yard.
So we have to
Which
start
one am I
something
yard?
serious, right?
Dirty football.
Right?
Yeah. So you want to get started by now?
Come on, you want to get know me better, right?
Yeah.
Ask me anything you want to.
What's your favorite color?
Black, you see me black. Black out.
Alright,
Black
whatever.
is favorite, always in a black.
Alright. Actually, I was saying I'm black for you.
But from me young, they always say about something about dopey. From me young about black.
Dopey
We
that
can't
is-
tell you mine, but a black on my
Remember you get afraid, yeah? What do you Look here. It's a black your favorite color, so what's your favorite food? You like eat?
Well, curry chicken and white rice.
Right, so
White
on your right.
White rice.
White rice.
But and anybody need it from doing it for cookie how me want it.
I enjoy the nice
Spicy.
skills.
What's your
Enjoy.
favorite food? Can we can cook in
I don't really have a favorite food.
Eat anything.
Not anything, but I have a favorite food.
Well, like, if you not have one or so, your favorite color, what's
Okay.
your color?
Pink and purple, but we can't continue this in the morning because I kind of want to sleep now.
Oh, you want to sleep?
You stay over here with me tonight?
You want me to stay over here with you?
Yeah, but you know something in our relationship now?
You sure you not come back?
Come back way. From a lock them door, you know. No matter what you do, you can't come in there because I know so me beat him, me kill him.
So yes, sir.
Just draw the curtain there for me, please. And me we hang him.
But I have to go over early morning because I have work.
You got one over there?
No, I said I have to go. I work, I have nobody else.
Oh yeah, I work tomorrow.
I work.
What kind of work you do by the way?
Me is a building with the building construction.
Oh, building construction. Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So I wanna get the money on Friday daytime.
Yeah, anytime in a week. Oh.
Hello?
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm a good man. Where do you live?
They sit down and right now I'm leave I don't know. But you know, so I have something to tell you.
So you're not cook today?
Yes. Me have a
We know
cook.
say the phone signal allow for the video call and thing. So what more want you do? Just take the video man and take your time and send off it. It will come through. Me see you cooking in the kitchen and so. Like somebody hold the phone to your yard, man. Can I have a girlfriend them there or something?
Yeah, me have one of them there now.
Yeah man, some of them want you deal with the way that means I can show you the operating in the kitchen car. When I come down, a man shining on them something there, someone who say you're the right person, like how you're stout and sexy and strong, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's my thing. Yeah man, so you're a king, so you know you go.
And
So
you're queen.
what you wearing there?
That's how one of them boy shorts, them strap blouse.
Oh. Yeah man. That's a good vibration man. So give me there, I go and get myself organized. Roll up on the road, I come have some errands I run up and down today. But so the video, I cook and thing. You know what I mean? But tomorrow, I'm wire some money tomorrow, right? Just send me info again, because I made a change up, because I'm try block you and thing. You know?
Alright.
Alright, so send me, I look forward to see the video. Alright?
Yeah, my son send it.
Alright, I like I like this one new picture too, you know. When the time right, you know, can send me to a new picture too. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Love you.
Love you too, you know.
You can't walk on the road alone now. TV up on the road.
I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I'm new. I just live down there. Do you mind walking me, please?
No problem.
I feel more safer. Thank you for everything.
Hello, good night.
Yeah, what go on?
Nothing much. How are you?
You know you're the good, you know. I've mash up one boy face today, but anyway, me hear some things are going on your side. What me hear go on today?
Well, basically, I was robbed, and this good Samaritan saved me. Like, literally got my bag back and my purse, everything, my phone.
All you go though? Somebody grab a bag or what?
This young boy, like, yeah, he was, you know, I was walking, didn't notice him, and then he just came up behind me and grabbed my bag and, you know, started legging. And as he was running, like, this good Samaritan, like, got my stuff back, literally stole him off from me, like, you know. But I'm gonna come up and see you. Yeah.
No man, not come up and see me. Me I come down there come see what go on, man.
Okay.
That thing don't happen on my island. Alright.
When you get here, I'll explain everything to you in more detail.
Alright, so you wanna know, I'm on a mission for tonight. So tomorrow, as day break, I come down to a place called Suwagwan, alright?
Okay, thank you so very much.
But you're good otherwise though.
I was a little bit shaken up, but from that, I'm fine.
Yeah man. Or the young one?
She's fine. She's here now and we're all good. I just thank God for that Samaritan. That big Samaritan.
Don't worry yourself, man. When I forward, I'll go buy my Jagan. And you can drink a Jagan or a Guinness. Alright?
Thank you. Yes.
Alright. Me there I go all the time. I have some look at errands to deal with tonight. So tomorrow though.
Alright, blessed.
Alright,
That's fine.
yeah man, talk to you soon.
Alright, bye darling.
Alright, bunny down. Yo, you know what you do? More you line up a small pair of shoes. Because I travel a distance, I don't want no big shoes, you know. I want a small pair of shoes with a few socks. Right? Yeah man, early morning I want it for. Something clean, that's a newborn look of shoes, I look of baby shoes. You know, give me a shoes look like a tie. Because just in case I'm not the feds them, I want to look like a tie, I can explain myself, you know what I mean? So give me one of them new one that look like a tie. And look a baby one. Yeah man, them look of shoes there. Yeah man, couple socks. Yeah man, that good. Yeah man, them money there, don't worry about that man. Alright, that is it. Roughly 7 o'clock. Then time them want push out. Because I go look at this time my job come. Alright. Yeah man, that work man. Alright. So I go on yesterday because I never get the time to come down still. So I say really go on.
I was robbed. And this lovely gentleman helped me.
You know him?
I don't know him, but he's so lovely. This man just went and tackled the perpetrator that came and literally snatched my bag and everything.
But you give him a thing though?
No, I was hoping that you could give him something, like.
Know yourself, man. So, what's your name though?
I think it's Boy.
Oh, I know that look at you with the man.
Okay.
I'll go page him.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to drop around the yard around here, so.
Yeah.
And then, no fix business. You know what I go on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, man.
I'm truly grateful because I was so scared. Like, he literally came out of nowhere and just stick me up. That's never happened to me.
Well, the country I get rough enough because of the leadership and where them carry go, you know? Well, the country I get rough enough according to the leadership and where them carry go. You got to be able to walk carry alone.
It was just me one. I was on my way to pick her up.
Oh, that's a good move. That's a good move, though, so, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. That is it, man.
Thank you so very much.
Money down. Am I here, man? You see it?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, don't worry yourself, man. Everything go fix.
That put me off. I just literally don't want to come out anymore. I'm so terrified. Anyone I see walking, I'm always looking, you know. I'm nervous.
Alright, that's alright.
Boy.
Money though.
Where are they?
I got it.
You know, you know what say? The sister will help out, but they are my link, you know.
Who that? Your man and me? Right?
Yeah, well, somebody try to rob him. So you good though?
Yeah, man.
Come
there,
on,
man.
come on, So what I can do for you now still?
Yes, right now I'm broke. I want some money.
Broke, I want money. Alright. You can change that a bank. But differently. You know what every young youth want. Here? You just start assisting on the road. I'll show you me a talk. Now then I play somebody, man, you know?
Oh.
You have to get line and deal with some matters. So if my lady jump in at the place and I go and run some errands. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So some you can understand themselves. You know the youth though?
You know some names in your face.
Nah man, you must see your face man. Remember good. But you then say catch him now. Remember good man.
Yeah. You see a woman.
You have to find out.
Oh, fat youth.
You know part in live?
You must have one bush or one yard. Me see one coming on over the same live.
We go circle if we need to find him and discipline him because you have to have discipline. You know what I mean? Because you have to run an order. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so that. So we go drive going so and then we talk to you different. Then after that we go check for the youth there. You see after me teach him a lesson, me make you enjoy yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I'll show you something I'll go on now. The man, the place now run good, is it? No discipline. No my ideas that people don't go on, man. Youngs and a thief.
So say I walk in and I see a youth. Like, you just look suspicious.
Alright, so she gonna come for now.
Well, go and see water.
I'm there with a one bag, you know, from Nigeria. You what go on now? Some bridge in here? You must have a thing for me, right?
Yeah.
So, I want you there with him, you know. Yeah.
But me have a man.
Left him. You have a new man now. You hear me, sir? Daddy, you see that girl there? I feel for no one.
But still, T-Wat, you know, some man talk to you still.
You want to see what you say?
No, sir, talk what I talk.
What's that going on now?
You know, so I'm afraid of woman still. Because I did there treat woman and they not beat me.
A woman a beat you?
Yeah.
We have unfair. But anyway, you make woman a beat you, daddy. You mash up the concept, man. But look what you fight for my sister. And you can't fight yourself. Anyway, alright. I gotta teach you a lesson. Alright, so instead of give that girl here, come like that girl for myself said there. So I'm going to use it for myself in the meantime. But when I get take a revenge, and the one that will beat you, I'm going to drop you on the yard. After we go deal with the boy who try pick for me woman things. You see it? And then in a night, while a woman will beat you, make you beat them back. Then that will build up a confidence. The next time you will know how to deal with them.
That sounds good, man.
Alright. We go on. We don't bother do it that way, right? Still, let's your man. Come back in that place a little while. So, more see you. You know what I mean? So me and you can there. For no one. Him say no, him afraid of you.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So know yourself man, that good still. A long time I want you still. Back in that place now. So I'm there for a while, so until I left here, tell the man to come look for you, you know. Alright sir?
Alright.
I'll jump off my run a yard and we go and go chill out, alright?
Alright.
Before you leave, bad dog.
I kind of feel hungry.
Anything if I eat?
No, I never really hungry for I eat, but I feel hungry now.
Where hungry?
One KFC.
No, I will go accept them.
Then go and then no? I take long to come hungry bad.
Soon come.
Alright. And be safe. Alisa, are you ready to come out one box of KFC? No, true? No. What?
Back. Don't move.
What is?
Go, get up.
Lock up in there. Yo, lock up in there.
Lock up in there.
Lock up in here!
Lock up in there.
I'm full of belly for me then.
Yo, step yo, hit that food. No. Somebody. Boy, shut up, no boy.
Here's my number 6!
Why am I going to talk first? We have a little cause about the place. Who don't know you know, but the nigga hang himself. 5 look of young girl beating them. Beating till like he head, he mad out. Me see what I get beating to. No, me know. He tell me you have a diary when I left for you. So, you beat him, you never kill him. So now me hire one youth to beat back him. What I want to beat him. So if you want to get licked in your hand or for your backside, which one you want it? Boy, yo, eat the food.
Yeah!
No.
Calm down, man. Never choice. One bullet. You want the bullet instead?
No!
Turn over your backside. Turn over your backside.
No!
Turn over.
Turn over!
No, turn on that one.
No! What about this one?
Matter of fact, you see this here, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm not dead hungry. Yeah, good.
Yeah!
Oh, them man there. Yo, who them man there? Come on, down. Who them man there? They are going with the KFC.
I'm hungry!
Oh, we are going down. We going with the KFC.
Hello, who is that? Okay, come in. Weird.
They have a little cousin and him hang himself. Nobody don't know. But you and him is there. You see a little black you there? No one no longer lying. And me say you piss him up and you beat him. So he write down one book in journal. So
Jesus Christ!
I know that Jesus Christ. That's the name. Right? So what? So we're paying in full. So what am I doing now? I want to look at you.
You can't do anything.
What's about? Mr. One thing to who mentioned about it?
You see with body, you see with gun. He dey get killed.
So which one you want? The choose this one. You want a gunshot or you want in lick your back? Feel like lick your So second, where you want lick in your hand?
Lie down.
Or you want to lick? Where you want to lick?
I know what you want, yeah.
Wait. You work for me. I'm going to tell you. What you want to lick? Talk to me.
Anywhere.
Anywhere? Put yourself here, sir.
Yeah, so sit cross here, so. On your belly.
Never lick him. Even that beat me.
Wait now. So watch out now. You go give him a bumper job. Lick him on him bumper tomorrow and get more man. Make him bumper swell up.
That's good.
Don't break his hand. Lick him on him bumper.
Move your hand. Mind the pump.
Move your hand. Carry my hand. Broke. Your hand broke.
Yeah.
Build up your hand. Now go move your hand then.
Alright, that's enough now. Come on, that's enough. Run now. Next time, don't beat man. Go now. For the damn it, yo, listen to me. I'm looking cozy, you know. I already deal him rough. But he went full to the foul now. But he kill himself, so I want to beat him so much. Shall I get 2 more? You got 2 more. So I get happy. When you find a fan, give him 2 more.
No, please.
Turn round. Turn round. I feel like I'm going to shoot that one.
Lay down. That's the other hearing. Lay
down.
Move your hand.
No.
You put your hand on the pop.
No, please.
If you put your hand in that pop. Move.
No, stop.
Lay down.
Take one in your hand. Hold out your hand.
Hold out your hand.
Come on now.
Crosses.
Don't lick man again. Chop up your hand.
Work there come from, and make sure they food don't cook, Cause right now, you know heap of work when me do today? Yeah, I mix some juice and put in the fridge. Come here, come on now. Alright.
Good night. Come on for that phone. Get that phone. Give me. The 3 women them were beat my cousin. Peter. There was a thing. You see him? He might take revenge. My little cousin, you get it there, my little cousin. And they have him beat him. So now we just return the favor. All like girlfriend them beat him. They won't get back to beating them. Can't kill himself. You never hear about the news about him kill himself. Me I tell you, he kill himself. Traumatized, but lick them home and deal with them and kill himself. So me I give you a choice though. Either you want a bullet or you want the beating them back. What you want? That's true, fast. You have a choice. I want to shoot him, not shoot in the head, not shoot in your foot.
No, brother.
Alright, so what you want to do? Want it in your hand? Want it in your hand, Miguel? But you have to get it. You want it in your foot side? You want it in your bumper? Where you want it? You want it in your back?
Where you want it?
You want it in your head? Choose fast. Each place get different lick. Your bumper go get 4 lick. Your head get 1. Your hand them get 5, 6. Your shoulder then take 7 because you show them strong. They can't take it. What you want now? What you want to talk now? They want 4. Give her 4 on our bumper. Turn around.
Wait, no.
When you lick people picking it, make sure. I feel like I get up a little bit too much, you know. Come, go on.
Morning.
Oh, well.
My dear, you know. I just come to talk to you and ask if you could forgive me for the things that I did do. I know some things that I do, it is wrong also, but because it kind of stress out and so. But I ask you if you could forgive me for you.
Forgive you for all what you do to me. That kind of rough, you know, but when I look on everybody need a second chance, you see me? So I just have to give you one second chance, you see me? But just remember, say, the same back when I use and beat you, remember, say, I still have it. Yeah? So, no, but, remember, say, I still have it, but, so you know, say, we get here again. Go on.
But, so you da beat me a lifetime them, but because tell me say you did dead in yourself. So I don't understand, but
That a thing. That a thing. Dead. I'm dead, man. I'm still there. I'm still there. But just know, say, I still have a pity back there. I'm going to give you more. So know where you are the next time.
Closer. Yeah, say something to you. Alright, so what you gonna go on now? We're there up on the verge of building this movie industry in Jamaica, you know what I mean? From nothing. You know what I mean? Is the country do not recognize talent until you actually achieve something in the island, until you break barriers and boundaries. It has been that way from even before I was born. From reggae time till now, they don't see the value of the people. Even when they're watching sport or anything, only when you reach the top do the country really recognize it. Not the people I'm talking about corporate. Corporate don't look for the grassroots people, them really and build them, and that's bad. That's why then they talk about building nation. They're not building nation, right? They're just saying stuff. But we are not just saying stuff, we're trying to build it out of nothing. So you the people out in the world, I'm going to do a WhatsApp group for and call it my support team, because I'm gonna need support in this mission that I'm on, and unity is gonna bring forth in that, right? So I'm gonna put out the number on the screen for the WhatsApp group, and you can contact me there through WhatsApp, right? And tell me you want to be a member of that group, and then it's for people who want to support the movement though. It's not for just idling. It's for the projection of where we want to go. You know what I mean? So it's for people who are supporting directly, serious part of it. You know what I mean? Because it does take a serious part for we to keep on doing what we're doing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So thanks for watching though. You know what I mean? It's a joy to do movie. We do movie like every day. We shoot every day, right? So, and it's a joy to get the comments them. So thanks for the comments them every writing. You know what I mean? It helped the algorithm. So continue writing your comments of what you feel, and positive energy bring forth positive mission, right? We're all trying to get somewhere. So let's get there in peace and in love. You know what I mean? It's a rough road, but we fight it on a daily basis. You know what I mean? How we make this movie, only Jah know, you know what I mean? Because the bills them is terrible high in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So, but it's a fight, I come to fight it. You know what I mean? So, it's on its way. You know what I mean? But nobody's gonna save you really. We gotta save ourselves, right? So that's what I'm trying to do here, saving ourselves. So all the people who think that Jamaica can't get back, well, it's not a good sentiment. You know what I mean? But we can build it to where we want it, right? So we're gonna have. In this group, we're gonna have discussion and the step forward. You know what I mean? We can't save the whole of Jamaica one time. So if we can save ourselves and teach people how to save themselves too, it can work from that perspective. You know what I mean? So self-sufficient and prosperity. You know what I mean? And hard work, longevity. We have to think of a way. We are human beings and we are here to survive. So let us survive and strive. Burn it down to the ground.